All right, so today we're installing this Aeroskin hood deflector. Within just 1 week of driving this vehicle, we already got a really big nasty dent here. So we ended up using some clear coat in that because it did scratch the surface a little bit, just to kind of keep from rusting things. But the hood deflector is going to cover it. So the package comes with these instructions here, but basically you're gonna, wipe your surface clean where it's going to be, make sure there's no debris on it, and then it has like these alcohol pads. Says to wipe it down with that, let that dry, and then these surface prep pads, not sure what that is, and then wipe it with that, let that dry, and then we'll go to our next step here. All right, so I did the first alcohol pads, wipe that, and while we're letting that dry, you can see the tape here on the back comes in pieces. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna just peel away a little bit at the edge of each piece. And this way we don't take the whole stripping off and get ourselves committed when we're trying to center it. So go ahead and get each of these pieces, tabs, I'm gonna need 2 hands for this. Peel those up all the way across, and then we'll come back for that and let our first pad dry here. We'll wipe it with our second pad. As you're pulling the corners off here, you're gonna wanna bend it down and put a nice little crease in it. So that way when you lay it down flat, this is still sticking out and we can be able to grab that once it's laying down. So make sure you crease those and make them stick out. All right, so it kind of helps with 2 people if you just kind of hold this in the center and then start from one side, press one side down while you're holding the other side up, and then each person kind of centers it. So we got it all stuck on there pretty straight. So now we're just gonna tear these tabs out, reveal the sticky that's underneath there, push it in, and then it comes with this coating right here to take off the whole thing there. So pull these tapes off here. Now we're exposing the rest of that stickiness there. All right, there we go, almost there. All right, so you're gonna give it a firm push all the way across those lines to make sure you get all the adhesive stuck to your vehicle there. Now for the final reveal, take this last little coating part off here. And let's get stuck on the top. Boom, no more dent. And it should keep us from getting further dents. So there you go, there's the windshield. You can get it online on Chevy.com. It's about $120. Easy install yourself. There it is. Thanks for watching.